Well, it's good evening, everybody. As you can see, this is Archie out with my granddaughter, Roshana. It's the first time she's actually got to hold Archie. Of course, Noah's here and going, I'm going to have my turn too, naturally, because it is beautiful little Archie. Here, Archie loves to be as high as he possibly can. So if you just want to sort of lift him up a bit, and I'll try and keep the camera on him as best I can. But guys, tonight, I want to talk about the importance of handling these little guys, as small as they are and as young as they are. It is important that you get this time in with them very young and start that whole process of actually holding them and them getting very used to you doing that with them, because that's how, Archie, you make the camera go blurry, dude. Coming so close and they're not able to focus on you. But yeah, this is when the socialization and that bonding process starts. And even though Archie is very, very used to me holding him, the importance of him holding other people, actually holding him, is about him being social with everybody. A snake will often bond to one person and tend to want to be with that one person, and will focus on doing everything they can to get to that one person. And that's okay. But you also want them to be accepting of others actually physically holding them, because if, I was not around for a week or whatever, I want other people to feel comfortable coming in and doing what they need to do for my snakes. And especially these little guys, to get them out and physically hold them and continue to do that with them while I'm not here. Lily, I know, would expect to come out, but it's much harder for others to get her out or to consider handling her and putting her back home and so forth. For me, it's just something I do, and I don't need to think about it. But I want my little ones to grow up very much so with others, being comfortable in actually physically holding them, getting them out, doing for them. And as you can see, Archie is slowly but surely making his way to me, and I know exactly what he wants to do. He wants to get up high on me, don't you? Hey, but you're just blurring the camera, dude, aren't you? And again, Archie is back in shed. So yeah, he's got that really pink glow to where he would be white, and his head is looking rather dark. So his head goes darker, but his whole body goes lighter. Well, when he's actually, coming into shed. So, but he needed to come out, and it's great the fact that Roshana and Noah are both here. So he gets enough. He's just kind of gripping and slipping a little bit on me at the moment. Are you going to go over to Noah? Your hands clean, bud?
Washed them.
Cool. I like the kids, especially with these little ones, to
We have to clean them very well because we just ate dinner.
Yeah, well, not only that, but you know, we don't want these little ones picking up any germs or bugs from us, being so tiny. So, you know, it all does start when they're this young and this little, and they need this, because they're not going to stay this young and this little forever. They are going to get bigger, and you certainly shouldn't have a bitey, defensive, bigger snake. There is no reason for it other than you haven't socialized them. They haven't gotten used to being handled by you, that they are still very afraid of you, and there is no need. That's what I mean. There is absolutely no need for it. And for me, if I see a very defensive snake, an adult one, it just means they didn't get this when they were young ones. And why I feel it's so important. And to not stop. You know, don't think, oh, I'll just get them out every now and again and that's enough, and when they've stopped biting me, all's going to be good. Not so much with these little ones. Your big guys, yes. You know, they've had plenty of time to get used to you handling them and spending time with them. But these little ones are all just very much learning, and will continue to learn. And the more that you do with them, the more you show them, absolutely, the more they remember and just get very, very used to you doing this. You have to teach them. You have to continue to exercise their brain, and Archie is going to make his way as high up on me and around my neck as Archie does. So anyway, guys, remember, if I can find him, and he's not blurred, which he probably is, get them out when they're young. Spend time with them when they're young, and you will end up with a very social, calm, happy little snake like Archie. Well, I thought I'd put this in a video, don't know which one, but to say thank you, Yupa. The hoodie arrived I love it and think it's amazing, but Shana, my granddaughter, loved it too. And me being who I am, her nana, of course I said, sweetie, if you're going to wear it, you take it and you wear it. So believe me, it's going to get a lot of wear. So thanks, Yupa. I do love it. I'm not passing it over because I don't. I'm just passing it over because, yeah, it is my granddaughter, and yeah, I'm just that way. So thanks.